Ever felt like you're juggling a million digital balls, and the one marked crucial document is about to slip through your fingers in NetSuite? You're not alone. I mean, let's be honest, we all live in a world where information is king, and keeping track of everything, especially within a complex system like NetSuite, can feel like navigating a digital labyrinth. You're processing invoices, managing customer orders, tracking inventory, and suddenly you need to attach that signed contract, that crucial spec sheet, or that vital compliance document. You pause, a flicker of doubt crossing your face. Can I even do that in NetSuite? That's the question we're tackling today. Because, let's face it, if you can't attach documents, you're essentially working with one hand tied behind your back. It's like trying to build a house without blueprints possible, but incredibly inefficient and prone to errors. We're talking about streamlining workflows, boosting collaboration, and ensuring you have all the necessary information at your fingertips, right when you need it. Now, before we dive into the how, let's take a step back and understand why attaching documents is so crucial in a system like NetSuite. NetSuite is a powerful platform, a central hub for your business operations. It's designed to bring everything together to give you a 360-degree view of your company. But without the ability to attach supporting documents, that view is incomplete. Think about it. Audit trails and compliance. Imagine an auditor asking for proof of a specific transaction. Without the relevant documents attached directly to the record, you're scrambling to find them, potentially facing delays and penalties. Customer relationship management. CRM. A customer calls with a query about a specific order. Wouldn't it be helpful to have all the related documents, like signed agreements, quotes, and delivery confirmations, readily available within the customer record? Project management. Keeping track of project deliverables, specifications, and approvals is essential. Attaching these documents directly to the project record ensures everyone is on the same page and reduces the risk of miscommunication. Inventory management. Need to attach vendor specifications or quality control documents to your inventory items. Having them readily accessible in NetSuite makes managing your inventory more efficient. Financial management. Attaching invoices, receipts, and expense reports to the corresponding transaction streamlines your financial processes and simplifies reconciliation. In essence, attaching documents in NetSuite transforms it from a data repository into a comprehensive information management system. It's about context, accessibility, and efficiency. So, the burning question: can you attach documents in NetSuite? The answer is a resounding yes. But, like most things in NetSuite, there are a few nuances to consider. NetSuite offers several ways to attach documents, catering to different needs and scenarios. Let's break them down. 1. The file cabinet. Think of the file cabinet as your central digital filing system within NetSuite. It's where you store all your documents, from PDFs and spreadsheets to images and videos. You can create folders, organize your files, and control access permissions. Uploading files. You can easily upload files directly to the file cabinet through the user interface. You can drag and drop files, or browse your computer for the desired documents. Linking files. Once a file is in the file cabinet, you can link it to various records throughout NetSuite. This means you don't have to duplicate files. You can simply create a link to the existing document. Permissions. NetSuite's robust permissions system allows you to control who can access and modify files in the file cabinet. This is crucial for maintaining data security and compliance. 2. Attaching files directly to records. NetSuite allows you to attach files directly to specific records, such as customer records, sales orders, purchase orders, and transactions. This provides a more direct and context-specific way to associate documents with relevant data. The Files subtab. Many records in NetSuite have a Files subtab, where you can upload and attach documents. Drag and drop. In many cases, you can simply drag and drop files directly onto the Files subtab. Linking from the file cabinet. You can also link existing files from the file cabinet to the record. 3. Using the Documents tab on transactions. For financial transactions, NetSuite often provides a dedicated Documents tab. This makes it easy to attach invoices, receipts, and other relevant documents to transactions, ensuring a clear and auditable trail. 4. Using the media item record. NetSuite also has the media item record. This is especially useful for managing images and other media files that you want to use in your website or marketing materials. You can then link these media items to other records as needed. 5. NetSuite Suite Cloud Development Platform, SDF and SuiteScript. For more advanced scenarios, you can use SDF and SuiteScript to automate document attachment processes. This is particularly useful for integrating NetSuite with other systems or for handling large volumes of documents. By utilizing the file cabinet, attaching directly to records, and implementing best practices, you can ensure that all your vital documents are readily accessible and organized within your NetSuite environment. This leads to better decision-making, efficient audits, and a more organized business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.